Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see a latest detailed analysis about Arino Pro. Friends, we already seen a video about this company in our YouTube channel when it is trading at 80 rupees, 80, 83, 90. So on the day itself it hits upper circuit 92 100 rupees. So friends, what I am going to say is today the company having future growth. Every time I said about future growth means we have to pick that share before itself, if it is in upper circuits or it is in going lower circuits or anything. It will give multifold returns in going forward, and how I will explain in detail in today's video. So friends, going further, Arino Pro has gained 44% in 2 days, and third day Friday also it hits 10%, that means totally 55%. So friends, after the company announced that it partnered with Future Tech UK for data center design and consultancy projects in India and South Asia, given movement for this stock, and why investors are grabbing a penny in this company means, friends, if you see recent announcement made by top 100 billionaires like Reliance Industries, Jio and Adani, those are the two financial and multi-billionaire persons in India which are planning like data center new businesses. Still they are having, but they are expanding. Like Adani Group Edge Connects for GV to develop data center business, and they are going to set up 2500 crores for an hyperscale data center. So friends, and Jio plans $1 billion data center in UP. Friends, already Jio having so much of data centers, and still they are building new data centers, means you are going to see going forward $4 billion business will be there in India only. In India only $4 billion business. And the next thing is Jio planning a cable landing station in Bengal. Friends, it is same and similar like a data center. Not at all, it's data center. Why? Because landing station is nothing but a bunch of cables which are interconnecting country to country for their information and all the things. This is also like a data center which transfers information through sea route. So this is the main areas where we are going to see data centers, and on banking one data center is needed, for telecom one data center is needed. For these continue processes, it won't take downtime. What is downtime? Which is going to express a data center is working efficiently or not is taken by its downtime. Most of the downtimes of a data centers are in seconds friends. And going forward, I am going to say about Arino Pro. Friends, Arino Pro has a product which is most attracted me is iCash Pro. Friends, it has a multiple business verticals like digital innovations and enterprise securities, banking, industry solutions and corporate profiles. Friends, I already mentioned earlier about data centers, and now I am going to inform you about securities. Friends, for digitalizing world need a security also. That's why recently Quick Heal announced their buyback shares. Friends, you thought Quick Heal is also a good chance to buy now at 200 rupees. They announced buyback price as 245. The Monday markets will going to fall. You can pick, friends. And the next one is digital innovations. In Airno Pro, digital innovations gives queue management systems, self-service kiosk, that means it's like ATM machines, and digital signage solutions. So friends, now we are seeing like OTP sign-ins. You do not need an user ID, password and all those things. You just need your phone number, that's enough. You will get a login. That is digital signage solutions. And next, customers feedback and digital payments. And they are going have enterprise securities also, in which they are supplying, that means they are providing services on cyber attacks. So friends, they have cyber in turn between user experience and securities. So friends, with this they are stopping web, email and document based threats. And CyberInk's solution platform is grounded on the principle of zero trust security and using cutting edge solution technologies to neutralize threats and prevent them. Friends, I already mentioned about these type of things which we are seeing in telecom regulatory using blockchain under Tanla platforms. And next thing is, friends, it is also having data center business. That means supporting designing and erection and all those things. And next one is banking. Friends, in banking it has a iCash Pro product. There are three products in a banking sector, that is iCash Pro integrated transaction banking suite, and the next one is a smart lender end-to-end integrate credit risk management solution, and next one is a FX Connect, that means real-time FX branch transaction platform. So friends, this iCash Pro given you a extraordinary results in its latest deals. Why? Friends, on Feb they announced one of the largest public sector bank in India taken iBank Pro. It is iCash Pro Plus. The solution taken by Indian, one of the largest financial banking sector. And next one is DFCC Bank, ranked as #1 service provider in Sri Lanka, which taken this iCash Pro Plus in 2018 itself. So after 2-3 years it came as best service provider and it came as #1. And see the future, any banks, how many banks will take this. And next one is Arab Bank for Investment and Foreign Trade also taken this iCash Pro. And the next one is iCash Pro emerged as winner in Mumbai, February 2020. And Bank of Karamattu Group selects iCash Pro into September 19, 2018. So AU Small Financial Bank also taken Airno Pro. And HDFC Bank automates Nostro reconciliation with Orion Pro. And South India Banks goes live with FSCM of this Arian Pro. And United Nations Banks goes live with Arian Pro. And friends, we are going to see that Arian Pro will give you multifold returns. And friends, up to 200 rupees there is no threat for share price, and its lifetime high is near 520 rupees. Friends, if continuous rally given by this stock up to 200, I am expecting the selling will come at 200 rupees for a profit booking stage. So friends, if it breaks 150 below, add more. Don't take fresh entries above 150. Why? Because if it hits 200, then it will come below, I am expecting below to 150 ranges. So that's why if you gonna loss at entering at 200, it will give some pain to us. So we have to wait for long run. If they announce any another deal, it will move like anything again. But still, I am expecting if it goes up to 200 without any news, it will get some selling pressure at 200 rupees. And friends, I am going to say that 24th November, Pratyush Chandala 1.3 lakh bulk deal at 70 rupees 2020 24th November, and 31st March 2020 2.9 lakhs, that means clearly 3 lakh shares bulk deal, that is Ashish Rai, and 30th March Ashish Rai bought 2 lakh shares at 40 rupees, nearly he taken 5 lakh shares, and 29th March 2017 Reliance Spot Exchange taken 8.5 lakh shares at 120 rupees. So now it crossed 120. So friends, I am expecting there are few players which bought the share around 200 also in 2017-16 ranges. So friends, I am expecting the share will give its new highs going forward like 200 plus and even 300 plus also. So friends, this is my view in Orient Pro, and share this information to your friends also, friends. Why? Because we are getting money through investing. Why not our friends? Through only investing you will generate money. Don't do intradays and option tradings. It will give negative impact, friends. So thank you, friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. This is my total analysis which I done from 2 days to give you a overview on this stock. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.